Hey, welcome to the XRP family.
Yeah, baby. How you
That's
guys
right.
doing?
This is the first show, the first day. Hopefully, anyone that is going back to our shows right now, I'm thinking ahead. They're going to come and they're going to see, oh my God, that was the first show.
So this is our first show. To-
Exactly.
Today is the date July 26th,
July 26th,
2021. Our
2020.
historical day in our journey, what we call the XRP family.
That's right. And what is the XRP family?
This XRP family is about family in the investment world. Why XRP? XRP is the foundation of this whole cryptocurrencies. Just my opinion. Just my opinion. That's all.
Yeah, I think XRP because it was created by former Bitcoin software developers. That created. We call it blockchain developing because that's the
Right.
software. They wanted something that was more acceptable. Instead of just erasing fiat completely, they wanted it to be. They wanted that to be a bridge just to connect from one place to the other, and not just let's just get Bitcoin and erase fiat or other assets. No, it's not like that. We have to join everything together, I feel.
Exactly. So, and what XRP is because of the cross-border payments and cross-border uh, utility that it has, what it connects, it just connects currencies, fiat currencies, but also connects cryptocurrencies. So I believe, and a lot of experts believe, that XRP will be the number one currency.
I think so.
And the reason fact is because it will be the what they call the plumber. If you have a house, right, and you look at the house and it has frameworks, it has ceilings, it has walls, but what's inside the walls are what is called utility, which is your electricity, your plumbing, and these are things that are important. So while XRP will be on the background connecting everything to the house, I believe that that's going to really create what the whole house. I guess.
Pretty much, it'll make the house run because plumbing is very important. Electricity is very important to run. Like the radiator, not electricity. It depends on what kind of radiator you have. You have electric ones and you have the steam ones. Or to connect any type of household product that needs electricity, just XRP is that bridge currency.
And what we have right now, introducing our XRP family website. Now, this is a website that we created. Me, Jeff Digital, and the brilliant Mr. Pedro. We created a website to keep up with the news of what's going on in the cryptocurrency realm. Now, if you like, you could come in every day, look at the updated information about cryptocurrency. We just don't talk about XRP, we talk about every cryptocurrency that is available today. Now, we're going to go ahead and look what's on the news in our website.
All right, let's talk about let's see.
What is the news? Bitcoin mining stocks surge as the cryptocurrency rallies towards $40,000. Oh, interesting. Let's just go ahead and click on that.
So these are Bitcoin mining stocks.
Yeah. Um. Let me go ahead and read that for you. It says shares of cryptocurrency mining corporations soared in early Monday morning, buying and selling as Bitcoin staged a rally to a 6-week high above $38,000. Yeah, absolutely. Not even like 4 days ago, it was about 30,000. It surged to like 8,000. So a lot of people are happy right now that the cryptocurrency, Bitcoin is making some moves, and and actually what it does is like the because Bitcoin is moving, all the alternate coins also move. So
Yeah, they move with it. Yep.
yeah. It says here in the article, Marathon Digital Holdings and Riot Blockchain each jumped 18% pre-market. Crypto mining friends together with Bitfarm up 17.6%. Bit Digital 16.5%, and Hive Blockchain 16.7%. Those are great numbers. Additional gains. In the meantime, Bitcoin lead 50%, and all different main cash has been within the experience. Now, I would like to say that a little bit about Bitcoin, my personal opinion. Bitcoin is digital gold. It's very high value. Is it has a base scarcity, and a lot of people want Bitcoin. I don't. The only thing I don't see, my opinion, it doesn't have the utility that it should. What I mean utility. Um, in the case, the fees are for transactions are pretty high. What do you think?
I think that look at Bitcoin as a fool's gold only because people who only want Bitcoin and don't invest in other things, they are the maxis. They maximize all their faith into this Bitcoin movement. But the problem is that Bitcoin is only it's like it's like a Trojan horse is only there to open the way. It doesn't mean it's going to disappear completely, but I feel like Bitcoin is not good to like put all your money in it.
Yeah, I
You could
agree.
put some. You could put some.
Not all your money, because I mean, if I was an early investor, like the pioneers in this industry, um, they actually, millionaires because they invested early. And I hear a lot of stories how it was so hard to get Bitcoin, and especially with exchanges and the opportunity that we have today. It's not the same opportunities they had 5, 6 years ago. So those who hold Bitcoin, big, I give them a big shout out. Um, but I believe that XRP is king. But
The
but
chosen one.
the chosen one. But that's my opinion. Good, that's my opinion. Now let's find out what's going on with XRP and XRP news. See, check out. Says, oh, you heard about the case about Hinman Disposition motion? Uh,
The Hinman deposition.
so 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 you know who's Hinman, right?
He's a.
Mr. Pedro.
I actually don't know who Mr. Hinman is. I wonder if he's one of the lawyers against Ripple. Uh,
No, but that was a good guess though. Now Hinman, he was one of the executives in the SEC. Now to Now let me go ahead and read this article for you. It says here, Hinman disposition motion rescheduled as the Ripple and SEC resolve privilege issues. Hinman disposition beforehand scheduled for July 19 has now been rescheduled to July 27, which is tomorrow. The movement, the movement filed by Ripple and initially of the month was granted by the U.S. Justice of Peace and chose by Sarah Netburn in the final week. Regardless of the SEC's vigorous effort, it misplaced the protection to Ripple because the courtroom dominated in favor of the defendant, which the defendant is uh, XRP, well, Ripple, you know, because the Ripple
Yeah.
is a company, XRP is the cryptocurrency.
Right.
But just a little background on the disposition movement. The disposition movement famous that William Hinman, former director of the SEC Division of Corporate Finance. So that's who Hinman is, buddy. He's in the end. He's also one who proved what he was one who proved Ethereum and Bitcoin as being non-security. Yeah, so uh, you could also check that out, do some research, and you definitely will find out that information. Anyway, let me continue. It says may probably have the first-hand information related to the lawsuit and helpful perception into the company's standing on XRP and the way it distinguishes the token from Bitcoin and Ethereum. Like I was mentioning that um, the reason why I believe that he's should know, and maybe there's some corruption going on here because, okay, I may be going off a little bit. I believe there's a lot of corruption going on.
Yeah, of course. Like a lot of like hidden agendas, and no one is speaking about that. Not even the news.
Yeah, exactly. Well, you know what's going on in the news in the backwards world that we live in right now.
Yeah, everything's backwards. But no, most people don't even know what's going on with the economic reset, as the powers that be call it,
Exactly.
global reset.
Yeah, and it says here from a speech, right? It says, "What result in William Hinman's disposition is his 2018 speech where Hinman said that Ethereum will not be a safety.
A,
Oh,
a
okay,
security, yep,
a security
which is a safety, yep.
based, yeah, based on mostly on the speech Ripple, not solely stuff that the disposition movement. However, as additionally found a honest discovery movement in the opposition to the company, arguing that the SEC failed to speak that they distinguish XRP from Ethereum. Although SEC did argue in opposition to the movement because of it, it informed the courtroom that Heyman is the company's high rank official. Okay, so he got this position. I see this case booming, booming, booming. I see, I see this case. I see XRP booming after this. What do you think?
I think so too. I think it's high time because I mean right now I heard that the way the current prices are behaving in each major currency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so on, the way those coins are behaving and the altcoins are behaving is like it's like a little bit volatile.
Right.
And I don't mean just very volatile. I mean it's creating like these very stable waves that they look the same. It's not like a very high tide, you know. And it's hard to explain because I need a chart.
Oh, so you want to look at it? Let's go to the
Yeah,
chart.
let's look at the chart.
Do you see me moving these
Yeah, I see everything. I all I had to do was I kept like going in like where
okay,
I
these
can't
are the
even read
price.
it. So
So
I made everything bigger so I see everything.
so these are the prices according to CoinGecko. So BTC right now is at 37,000, which is pretty good. Which if you invested on that, you did it. You see some gains. You probably were happy today. Um, Ethereum, 222. If that's not a sign, I don't know what that is. And we got our beloved XRP with 62 cents.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
pretty good.
that's way better than this time last year. It was at I think 20 or
Not
in fact
last year, yeah, 20,
25 cents,
oh,
22
20,
cents.
yeah, something like that. Yeah,
Yeah.
those there was so much, you know, buying opportunities last year, but
Yeah.
the you see, Doge now, a lot of people say it's mimic, is a
It's
gimmick,
a meme coin.
a meme coin. Yeah, it's a gimmick. I had an opportunity to invest in Doge when it was like 2 or 3 cents, but because I was listening to the critics, right, and that's
Yeah.
my fault. I thought that it doesn't have utility. It doesn't have utility. Basically, and I was like, well, it doesn't make no sense. I'm going to put my money where the money sound, right? That was it. But I didn't know if you knew that. You heard about the Flare network, right?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, the Flare network included Doge, part of the of their ability to use their coins. So if you have Doge, you can eventually stake it and earn uh, money. Not money. No.
Earn some kind of interest.
Yeah, yeah, definitely.
Yeah, because that's what staking is. I have some coins that because I use Coinbase, I use Celsius, I use my favorite right now. Let me find it for you.
Well, what's your favorite right now?
My favorite exchange or like wallet or something like that. Well, I like Ledger. I use Ledger to protect my assets.
Okay.
And I also use like my favorites right now is basically Coinbase. I like crypto.com. There we go. That's number one.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. I love Crystal.com. Actually, I hold some coins there, buddy. Some
Yeah.
crows, yeah, CRO. This is not a financial advice. We're not financial advice.
No,
We
we're not
just
financial advisors. No.
we just two brothers on a mission for financial freedom, baby.
And in case you don't know, we are brothers.
Yes.
And our mom and dad, they made us. So
Yes. So that's the XRP, the family part. So we are actually brothers. So for those that didn't know, now you know.
now you know. um,
Okay, and
so Flair is also very interested in making XRP some kind of major currency for several, because it's not just XRP. There's other things, and
it's understand, yeah,
there's other
definitely.
things related to XRP, related to this special coin. It's not a Ripple coin, even though it's Ripple finances, but XRP is an actual decentralized coin that Ripple manages. That's all. In other words, they manage in the sense of marketing, of creating relationships with other bankers,
Right, right,
um,
absolutely.
with different institutions, companies, and
Yep.
Flair is helping with that. Flair has, I think there's a major price importance with Flair if you have it. I mean, Flair will go up. It will just skyrocket very soon once they do drop.
Right.
Yeah.
Absolutely. And I think that the cryptocurrency is definitely the future. Um and I'm there's a few of us that I guess 1% out of 99% of people in the world invest at this moment in cryptocurrencies, which is blowing. Like,
Mind boggling.
yeah, exactly. Yeah, because I mean, can you imagine you know uh, this space and you get into it, and can you imagine the opportunities there is? But I imagine it, and I believe that we, this is the future.
Yeah.
Now, talking about the future, I see an article here. It says almost half of all Singaporeans polled plan to buy cryptocurrency in the next 12 months. Oh, let's look into that. Okay, it says here almost half of Singaporeans. Singapore. uh,
Singapore in the house.
yes, Singapore cryptocurrency is gaining recognition and acceptance in the Singaporeans in accordance with a survey commissioned by Unbiased Reserve. That is among the many findings of the inaugural 2021 Unbiased Reserve Cryptocurrency Index, the ICRI. Singapore, Singapore, which polled 1,000 Singaporeans from Finnish February to early March 2021, an announcement on Monday, which is today, stated about 43% of Singaporeans surveyed owned cryptocurrencies.
43%. You know, there's going to be a big global reset, global shift of economies of scale. I mean, it's just going to grow in places that, wealth is going to be in places that wealth never have been before in terms of the lower class and middle class.
Yeah,
If
absolutely.
if if they invested in the currency, or at least have some kind of relationship with currencies that are actually real, that they're not just, you know Dogecoin is not just a meme coin. It has backup. You know what I mean? And
Right.
people back it up. And these Singaporeans most likely have not just Bitcoin or Ethereum. They have other coins like Litecoin, for example.
Yeah,
Yeah,
VeChain, they're based in
Singapore.
Singapore. Yeah.
Also, so V Chain is a
And also,
I invest in that. V Chain is very important,
yes.
very important. I believe in it, hundred
Yeah, I
percent.
I, I invest in VeChain myself, and I believe in the supply chain and the utility for that. So that's a definitely need. It's the future, baby.
Oh,
uh,
yeah. Go ahead. You were saying that
okay.
Singapore has
About
V Chain.
Yeah, it has VeChain. So let me just go finish with this article real quick. It says the about 43% of Singaporeans surveyed owned cryptocurrency, and the possession fee was highest at 66% amongst those from 26 to 45 years old, outdated. This compares with a fee of 29% for all of the opposite age teams. By gender, oh, they survey everything. 35% of girls personal some cryptocurrency in comparison with 51% of male respondents, which is, you know, I think that is going to change and real soon. Um, that's not just going to be mostly dominated by men. This is industry for women also, uh, uh, and then any gender there. Um, all right, so Mr. Brilliant Pedro,
The
uh,
the brilliant Mr. Pedro.
the brilliant Mr. Pedro, and your
That's
boy
right.
Jeff Digital. You have any comments, anything you want to say before we close up?
I want you to subscribe, share, and like, and especially hit that bell to get any notifications. This will be hopefully a daily live broadcast for those that are interested in cryptocurrency. We will mostly talk about the news, but we can also answer any questions that you have if you put any comments in, you know, in the comment section. And in our description, we will have many little presents for you. So you go ahead. What anything you have to say before we go?
Yeah, so this being our first day, first episode, I want to say thanks to uh, God for giving us opportunity to be in the space, and also want to thank you, the brilliant Mr. Pedro, for your magnificent your outlook in life, and I also want to thank the XRP community. So please check out our website www.xrpfamily.com for your news of today. And with that, I would say peace. Booming, booming, booming.
Yeah. So that's your booming, booming, booming.